Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Morgan Guitar. I've got a super easy song for you guys. Morgan Wallen, I Got Better. And maybe you can feel that when you manage to play the simple song and just lift, take off with 3 chords. You can just play this beautiful song from Morgan Wallen. Let's go into it. And as you can see, you didn't have to use a capo either, so it's clean on fretboard, 3 chords. Very simple. Starting with A minor, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the C major 7 next. So you're gonna play third A, second D, and then open G, open B, open E. And then finally we have the F major 7, third D, second G, first B, and open E. Can't be more simple than that, guys. 3 chords only, very simple grips. Now let's learn the strumming pattern. Grab the first chord, A minor. It goes like this. So it's down, 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 up, up. Okay, so down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up. And notice I'm playing on the first down on the bass strings, the next down on the top strings, the higher ones, and then I play down again on the bass string, and the final 2 ups on the top strings. So you can do that once you get the hang of the strumming pattern, down, 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 up, up. You can try to separate where you play on the strings, and that will be even better, give this certain rhythm and feeling to it. So okay, so let's go into the song now. With the first verse, you're gonna play A minor, 4 string rounds, C major 7, 4, then F major 7, 4, and back to C major 4. So 4 string rounds per chord, A minor, C, F, C. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. And let's do 1 round together like this. Very simple and beautiful as well. That is the first verse. Into the chorus now. You're gonna play that A minor, 4 string rounds, and C major, 4 string rounds. You do that for 2 times. So A minor 4, C4, A minor 4, C4, and that is the chorus play at lyrics Swear It Was Like, and so on, at 1 minute and 1 second in. That is this first chorus, and then after that comes an instrumental part. After each and every chorus in the song, you'll have to play 1 instrumental part, and that is to play F major, 4 string rounds, and C major, 4 string rounds, only for 1 time like this. Then we're gonna jump into the second round, and it's just repetition, but this second verse you played only for 1 round. So A minor, C major, F major, C major for 1 round only. Then comes the second chorus, play exactly the same way as the first one, no changes there. And then comes the instrumental part, again, same as the first one. After that comes the bridge, okay? And I wait saying or something, and I said, or I'm not sure where we're on the lyrics, but it's about 2 minutes and 31 seconds in. That's where you are, and you're gonna play A minor 4 and C major 4, and that's it, okay? Then after that bridge part comes the third chorus, and you play that in the same way as the previous choruses, no changes there. Then comes the third instrumental, okay? Again, only F major and C major. And after that you have the outro left, and what you're gonna play there is A minor 4, C major 4, and guess what, guys? That is the end of Morgan Wallen's I Got Better. Great song. Sorry for my hefty tempo there, but I just had to go through this fast because I can't wait to play this song. It's a great one, 3 chords only, very simple. So have a good one, and until next time, play tuned.